So here I can see that the resin is right smack up to the top of this thing, so that whole vial will fill this thing right to the top. I'm going to put this plunger in here now, and I know I can't pull it with one hand, but shove it in here. Hopefully it won't make a mess and overflow. It didn't. I'm going to push in hard. All right, now we got to pull this thing up and hope for the best. So let's see if I can get the camera on there. Where is it? There it is. And I need something to hold this phone. Well, bear with me. This video is not the most professional video. I need something heavy. Let's try the soldering iron. Use it to hold the phone. So I can show you how to put the vacuum on this thing. All right, soldering iron is a back plate holding the phone. There it is. Now we can see what's going on. So let's pull this thing up to a vacuum now. So there's the detent, and let's pull it up, up, and put the lever in here. Okay, and yes, there are bubbles coming up. Little bubbles coming up there. Drawing out the air. And they're saying wait 10 minutes and tap it a little bit. Not hard, just a little bit. Helps the bubbles come out. And time it for 10 minutes. Alright, I'm going to stop the video and time it for 10 minutes. Let's take a look at the other side where the bubble is. Where the gash is here. The indent. On the other side here, what do we see? Well, it looks like it's got a lot of air in there. I could always try and pull more vacuum out. Let's see how much is in there. Looks like it needs some more air to come out. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.